love the old songs. Yeah, birthdays are this month. Liam on the 29th, Mum on the 21st. More. Okay, let's go on. Say so.
Hello everyone. Happy birthday, Uncle Harry. 101. Let's go. What's your secret? Appreciate all the stories, the love, and your mind is just so sharp. I've lost mine up in please, and bottle yours. Cool. But anyway, my dad got you something. It's a greenstone. But yeah. Is it right if I put it on you? You don't have to wear it all the time, but is it okay if I put it on?
Yes, should be. Oh, that's special.
But yes, I love you, Uncle Harry. Okay. Yeah, so very special to all of us, Uncle. Very special.
Uncle's got a gift from colories from her dad. It's a greenstone. Yay! Woo! Now, all right. Thanks, colories. That's really nice.
Hello, Dean.
How's your dad? He's good. He's good.
Thank you very much.
He's good. He's getting married. My dad said he's getting married every week. He said he's getting married every week. Different lady. Or the ladies at the restaurant, the Indian ladies there.
Alright, got anything to say? Any on that side? Gonna give it this side.
Next song. Uncle, sing a song and then they'll think about it. Sing another song.
Sorry guys, I have to sit because you've got your, I'll speak sitting down. And sorry too if I said this wrong, but this is Maori language week. So kia ora tātou katoa, te mihi atu, o te wiki te reo Māori.
Yeah!
Anyway, Uncle Harry, whakalawhala ia te kia koe. Happy birthday, monuina e awhanau hau mamatua.
Thank you very much.
It's a blessing to have matua 101. Ke matua mautua uriau. So
whakaue lahi ki he atua, ko kua ki atua ia e malolo mai sino malolo foki ki a koe. Ko lau ka aina koe hataua ne whapeheo ki a koe, moi lai e tau hui hau mahaku. Ko toko te iau kai whānu mitau ki a ngai a koe. So it's a blessing to have you around, Uncle. E sawa matua whakaue lai mahaku. Happy birthday and whakalofa lahi atu to everybody. Whakaue lahi.
Yay! Very good, very good.
Itu dia ada kita pakan.